Ufanelwe Umvelase impendulo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Ngiyazi guys ukuthi benikhathazekile kakhulu ngendaba ke kaMvelase, but nibonile ke Friday ukuthi ke Umvelase ke ubuyile, and guys I'm here to update you ukuthi kuzokwenzekani ke kumkhokha kuleli viki from the 15th to the 19th of January 2024. On Monday guys bathi ke uMabusi uthola indaba ezimnandi ukuthi ke he or she is having ingane ke yomfana, and basibethi ke finally a leader take his rightful place at the throne, which I think guys Umvelase ke usebuyile ngampela, usezohlala ke ehlalweni sakhe ke sobukhosi. So guys you can all relax now. Umvelase is back on Tuesday. Amidst Zodwa's dream, an unforeseen rush of urgency fills the air on Wednesday. Tragedy strikes the Gumeda house yet again, and Udifa suffers another loss on Thursday. Udifa makes a decision that will change the course of Nobuntu's life. Zodwa struggled to accept her reality on Friday. Nobuntu is stand to learn her fate. Nomkhosi feels left out in Kulegani's newfound success. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.